For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a shocking update, West Bengal BJP President Dilip Ghosh was heckled in North Parganas. Dilip Ghosh alleged that he was attacked by TMC supporters. The vehicle of both BJP President and his security personnel were kerrowed by the ruling TMC workers. Later on, Dilip Ghosh was shifted to the residence of a BJP worker. The West Bengal State BJP President also claimed that he was threatened previously near his area.
আমার উপরে হামলা তো প্রায়ই হয়। আমার পাড়াতেই আমি যেখানে থাকছি নিউ টাউনে সেই গ্রামের বাজারে আমি চা খেতে গেছিলাম। ধাক্কাধাক্কি করে আমি তো বাজারে যাই ঢুকি আমার সুরক্ষা কর্মীদের সঙ্গে ধাক্কাধাক্কি করা হয়। আমাদের কর্মীদের মারা হয়, ফুল কারো কারো ফোনও কেড়ে নেওয়া হয়েছে এবং বেশ কয়েকটি গাড়ির কাঁচ ভাঙা হয়েছে। আমি বেরিয়ে আসার পরে আমাদের কর্মীদের মারা হয়েছে। আমি নিউ টাউনে আসার পর থেকে 2 দিন 3 দিনের মধ্যেই টিএমসি কান গরম হয়ে গেছে। আমি যে বাড়িতে আছি বাড়ির মালিককে ধমকানো হচ্ছে।
Several media reports also stated that TMC workers had vandalized several vehicles of BJP members and broke window panes of their cars. Dilip Ghosh was supposed to organize a Chai Pe Charcha event in North Parganas. He was accompanied by a few of his party workers for the program. Chai Pe Charcha is a mass outreach program conducted by the BJP in West Bengal. However, TMC workers termed the allegations as baseless. BJP workers staged a protest against the attack on the BJP state president and marched towards the state secretariat. However, the workers were stopped midway by the police personnel at Vidyasagar Setu over the Hooghly River. The BJP MP further accused Trinamool Congress leader Mohsin Ghazi to be behind the incident. On the other hand, TMC leader Tapas Chatterjee claimed that he was not aware of the incident and instead blamed the Saffron Party for spreading rumours. Meanwhile, Congress MP Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary condemned the attack on Dilip Ghosh. TMC and BJP workers have constantly been at loggerheads in West Bengal. Recently, a scuffle broke out between BJP and TMC workers at Bidhan Nagar on June 8 after TMC defector Sabyasachi Datta was attacked by the workers for joining BJP.